Hello and welcome back. Today we're taking a quick look at Firefly 3, an open source personal finance manager that's been getting some solid attention lately. If you're trying to take better control of your money and like to keep things self-hosted, this one might be worth a quick look. Firefly 3 is all about helping you manage your finances in a clear, structured way. We think budgets, accounts, transactions, and reports. It's designed for individuals, not businesses, so everything feels personal and straightforward. No fluff, no sales pitch, just tools to track your money, your way. You can link multiple accounts, set budgets, and tag your spending to get a better sense of where your money's going. The reporting features are a standout, detailed without being overwhelming. You're not just logging expenses here, you're getting real insights. One of the cool things about Firefly is how customizable it is. You can set it up exactly how you want. And because everything is open source, you're not locked into someone else's system. Privacy and data ownership are front and center. Now, who's it for? I'd say if you're someone who wants full control over your financial data and you're not afraid to get your hands a little dirty with setup, it's a great option. It's not as plug and play as the mainstream apps, but what you get in return is total transparency and flexibility. Firefly 3 isn't trying to be flashy. It's just focused on doing one thing really well, helping you manage your money without compromise. Whether you're budgeting for the first time or looking to escape the chaos of spreadsheets, it's a solid tool worth checking out. Now, if you found this helpful, feel free to like or drop a comment. I'll see you in the next one.